Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to download the PDF for your assignment for tonight. PDF is just another type of technology file on your computer. It's like a worksheet that's on your computer. And a PDF is one that has to be edited in a certain way. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Go ahead and push courses here and go to our ELL Early Intermediate class. This is on Canvas. And you're going to go down to the blocks right here. Week 1, the foundation block. We already did this assignment for yesterday. If you did not complete this assignment, then you need to make sure that you do that tonight. I'll show you how to do that again during class. Today, this is your assignment. It's called A Little More About Me. A Little More About Me. So the first thing you need to do is download the PDF and then fill in the boxes using the Fill and Sign tool. Looks just like that, a little purple pen. It's the Fill and Sign tool on the bottom right of the window to fill in the spaces. It says, use this graphic organizer to tell us more about yourself. When you finish, click Submit Assignment at the top right corner and add text or media at the bottom. So you're going to add text. You're going to submit the assignment just like I demonstrate in the video, okay? So I'm going to click on this hyperlink, this blue intro activity PDF. I've got to get the assignment. This is the assignment right here that's going to download to my computer. So that's the first thing I have to do. I have to download the PDF. I'll click the blue, and it should download right down here in the bottom left corner of my screen. Oh, it popped up. Look at that. It popped up on my screen in Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's what this window is called, Adobe Acrobat Reader. You might have to, it might say allow Adobe Acrobat Reader on my computer, and you say, yep, yes, I would like to allow it. Okay, this is the program that's opening up our worksheet. So now it's really hard for me to read when it's turned this way. So I'm going to click on the worksheet. Whoops, we don't want it to turn blue. No, we don't want to copy it. We're going to click again, click on the worksheet. There it is. And the little menu pops up. Notice I had to try a couple times. You might too. You're going to go to rotate clockwise and click on rotate clockwise. Whoa, that's even worse. So I'm going to click on it again. Whoops, not in blue. Oh, no. I just sort of move my cursor a little bit because sometimes that helps. There we go. I don't know why sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I need to rotate clockwise again. And then I need to click it again. And last time, rotate it clockwise. Oh, there, now I can see it much better. So now it said in my directions, I have to use the purple pen, fill and sign. So I'm going to fill and sign this paper. So I'm going to click on that. Yes, I want to fill and sign my paper. So I'm going to click on that. Click it. There we go. And now I should be able to type on my paper. So my favorite book is Magic School Bus. So and then I want to click over here and it says, blank is my favorite thing to do in the summer. So how would I fill in that sentence? Swimming is my favorite thing to do in the summer. Then this one over here says, I want to be blank when I grow up. So I want to be an awesome mom when I grow up. An awesome mom when I grow up. Okay, so I'm going to do that for each of the boxes. Notice I just click on the box and the little text box pops up. I click on the box. Oopsie. Click on the box. Oh, wait for it. Click on the box and the little text box pops up. Okay, so I'm going to do that for all of the boxes. When I'm all finished filling out the sentences, I will go up to File in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is Adobe Acrobat Reader, right? I'm going to go to File, Save As. Choose a different folder bottom right corner, choose a different folder. Then I need to scroll to where OneDrive is at, OneDrive. I'm going to click on that and save this to my OneDrive. That is how you save your assignment. Then you're going to exit out of it. After you saved it, you'll exit out of it, and now you have to submit your assignment here. So I click Submit Assignment. I need to upload my file, File Upload. I need to choose a file. I'm going to go to my OneDrive, and I have to go all the way down to where it says Activity, Intro Activity 2, and it should be red. Notice all these icons here. These are Word documents. You're going to look for the one that has like the 3 circles and it's red. Do you see that one? Yours is going to look just like that. Intro Activity 2. You're going to use that red icon right there. I'm going to click it so it's in blue, and mine should pop up right over here. It should pop up, and I'm going to click Open. You'll know it worked when it says Intro Activity right here on this screen. And then I'm going to click yellow, Submit Assignment. And you know it submitted when it says up here, Submitted. You submitted your assignment. Good job. That's all.